it's Jody here with Squiggly Doodles. Today we're gonna doodle a really cute pineapple. So let's go get doodling. And if you like this video, subscribe! All right, let's start drawing our fun pineapple. I'm gonna use a Sharpie today, and if you do, just put a piece of paper underneath. And if I ever go too fast, just press pause. So the very first thing we're going to draw is the shape of our pineapple, which is an oval shape. So I'm gonna start at the top of my paper and draw down. I'm gonna make this a little flatter here of a line, not really circular. And then just come back up and meet my line. So you see I have some curvy bumps, and that's okay. Let's just keep drawing. Now let's draw the fun spiky part of the pineapple. So we're gonna start at the top of the paper. I'm gonna draw one line going out and curve back in. And then here, out and curve back in. And you could do as many of these as you want, and they can go all different ways. As I'm coming towards this side, it's gonna curve out that way, and like that. And there's my spikies. And then from here, we're gonna add some detail, some extra little lines right there. All right, now let's go ahead and draw our pineapple face. On one side, draw a big circle, and on the other side, around the same size. And this pineapple is gonna have some fun eyebrows too. And I think my pineapple today is gonna have a really big smile, and his mouth will be open. And then we can draw this little curve there. For my eyes, I'm gonna draw 2 circles right inside, and then color around them. Are you a subscriber to our channel? If you're not, press subscribe. All right, now I finished coloring the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and make a tongue. And as we color, pineapples have lines that are going to go crisscross. So we're gonna add that with our color when we color. So I'm gonna color the main part of the pineapple yellow, but then I'm gonna add a little bit of shading here, and I'm gonna make those fun lines with the darker color. And 2 different color greens for my spikies. All right, let's get started coloring. I'm gonna go ahead and color my lines, draw them with my Sharpie first, and then I'll add the detail of the crayon, because I really like these dark lines here. So I'm just gonna pick a spot on my pineapple and draw a line going down. And when I get to my eye, if I'm in the black part, I could go right through it. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my Sharpie and then bring it back down. And then I'm gonna do the same thing here. You're gonna make a good bit of space in between, and this time you can just go all the way down. Then around the same distance here, you're gonna go all the way through it, but you'll stop because you don't wanna go through the mouth. Pick up your pen or drawing utensil, and the same thing here. go. I just think drawing it first will help coloring it. And now we're gonna draw the diagonals going the other way. I'm actually gonna turn my paper because it's easier for me that way, but you can do it however you like. You just wanna make sure you have lines going the opposite direction. So I'm gonna start here, and I just picked a spot to start. And you want them to be around the same space as before. Not too far apart, but not too close together. There we go. Now we can finish coloring our pineapple. All right, I'll go ahead and start again with my 2 different colors. I'm gonna start with yellow, and then I'll shade in the darker spots. All right, friends, that is my pineapple. I'm just finishing filling in any white spaces. So I added some shading here. I almost made a crescent shape, and then I colored it a darker color yellow just to show a little shading. And I added this little detail inside each of my shapes in my pineapple. And it's just like kind of like a U shape. And it really helped. And then I colored the mouth as well. I hope you had fun drawing the pineapple today. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Great job! Squiggly Doodles!
Thank you for watching today. I hope you had a lot of fun. And if you did, follow us, like us, and subscribe to our Instagram, our YouTube channel, Facebook page, and website.